are making party mints, also known as York Peppermint Patties. I am making bonbons. I'm gonna make seven different flavors. Now, I am doubling the recipe because I'm making 7 flavors. And so, okay. And I'm gonna add just a titch more because frankly, I just didn't want to put this back for a half a cup of powdered sugar. So I am going to add just a titch more milk. Then we need butter that is melted. Got my melted butter right there. I said I'm just gonna add more milk. I meant butter. I don't know what I was saying, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix this together, and then we are going to divide it up and add our colorings and our flavorings, okay?
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
Now this calls for egg white, and so what I would do is just add a little bit of extra butter. The egg white just helps it to set up more firm, but you don't need it. Okay, now, because I added the little bit of extra powdered sugar, I'm just gonna put a little bit more butter in. All right, let's see how we did. Now, you can use a regular mixer, or you can also hand stir this if you want. Now, of course, Mom never used gloves, but I do because I got my fancy fingernails on. I don't want them to get all gooey. So now what I'm gonna do is just bring this together and let it come together in a nice ball. Now, if it doesn't start coming together, then I'm just getting the rest of the stuff that's stuck on the bottom first. Now, if it doesn't come together, then I'm just gonna add a little bit more butter, okay? That's why it's called buttercream. Buttercream chocolates is another name. We call them party mints, York Peppermint Patties. All right, that is not enough. So I'm gonna add the rest of my butter. So what I did was 5½ cups of powdered sugar, and then 1/2 cup, 1 stick of butter. That's what I've done so far. Now, the reason why I'm adjusting Mom's original recipe, well, actually, this isn't Mom's recipe, this is my grandma's recipe. Why I'm adjusting Grandma's recipe is because I'm just making more. All right, I'm adding in another tablespoon of butter. Just to get this to come together. Okay, so see how it's still a little bit crumbly? I'm gonna go ahead and divide this into the 7 bowls first because our liquid flavoring is going to add a little more liquid. So now, for the first one, we have peppermint. So I'm adding my flavoring and to get it all mixed together. And then, see how it starts coming together? That's exactly what you want. Oh, that is like perfection. Absolute perfection. Okay, then you want to kind of knead so that all the powdered sugar is all mixed in with the liquid really well, and you got no lumps. You don't have any lumps at all. Okay, now, I mean, this couldn't be more perfect. This is exactly the consistency you want right there. So right now what I'm doing is I am just getting it, what do you call it? All the powdered, I could feel just a titch of lumps here and there of powdered sugar. So it's not even really that big of a deal probably. I'm just getting those little ones out. Now, if you're making peppermint patties, what you want to do is take your balls and flatten them. There you go, just like that. And you're going to freeze that if you're making peppermint patties. Okay. And you're just going to go. And there's your peppermint patties. All right, then to dip your peppermints, just dip them in your chocolate and put them on your thing. Now, you can use a toothpick and go like that. That works really good. That's how Mom did it. Grandma did it. Now, shake it off and let it drip, and then we're going to let these harden. Okay, our homemade York Peppermint Patties.
I love these.
You always love them.
I do.
I already gave it the secret away because I know you love them.
Man, I used to eat so many of these.
I know. They were so good, weren't they?
They were.
Well, they still are.
They still are, but I try to eat fewer of them now.
Yeah.